Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming eligibility and preparing your accounts. Check that you are a U.S. resident with a Google account and a credit history that meets lender criteria. Once done, link and verify a bank account or debit card so payments can flow. Open the Google Pay app, tap the credit line offer, and carefully review the APRA, fees, and limits because knowing the costs saves you money later. Apply when ready, and you'll get an instant decision in most cases. After approval, accept the agreement and choose your starting limit and repayment term. This affects monthly payments and interest, so pick what fits your budget. Next, set up AutoPay and add your preferred payment method. AutoPay avoids late fees and protects your score. Make sure to choose a convenient monthly due date. Then activate the virtual credit line card in Google Pay. Use it for online and in-store purchases, and monitor transactions in the app to stay on top of spending. To finish setup, review your statements each month and pay more than the minimum when possible to lower interest costs quicker. You can request a limit increase later, but only if your payments and credit justify it. This reduces utilization and can improve your score. Enable balance and payment alerts to avoid surprises. If something goes wrong, like a failed payment or denied increase, check your verification documents, bank holds, and transaction history. Then contact Google Pay support with screenshots for faster resolution.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.